Get that bird. I got Disco and Aspen on it. Aspen just went right by when it went down. Disco's off to the left. Now she's heading towards it. Got Aspen over there, Disco. They're on the other side of the cattails when it went down. I'm very optimistic that we'll find it. Aspen's just a monster in the cattails. So, Disco's on about the right spot. There's Aspen. Optimistic. Aspen's taking her time over there. Aspen's got it. Yeah, come on, girl. Come on, Aspen. Yeah. Woohoo! That's the girl right there. Yeah, we got one, girls. We got one. Yeah, we're just a quick stop off and got up. Got the bird. Aspen hasn't been out for a little bit, but she got the retrieval. Disco seems to think she needs to pick something else up, but get out of there, kids. Come on. That's not our space to go. There it is. All right. All right, Kelly. Aspen's working.